Good day, everyone. I'm Bag of Don at Stock Market Caddy. Today is October 6th, and it's about 12:24. We thought we'd give you a live view. We've been periodically showing a snapshot of the swing machine. And the swing machine for us, we kind of think of it as as the ticker tape or the ticker machine from the 1920s. You ever remember those from the movies? And how the stock speculators, the Jesse Livermores of the day, how they would read the tape. And when those ticker tapes came out, they weren't always around. When they had to have the telegraph. When the telegraph came out, some smart gentleman or person created the ticker tape machine. And boy, it was really something to have that in your office. Every stock speculator, every stock trader wanted to have that ticker tape machine, not just in his office, but in his homes. And they had a bunch of them. In the day, those folks did very, very well. At his peak, Jesse Livermore was worth over $100 million. $100 million back in the 1920s. The swing machine is monitoring for us the markets. We have set for you so that we could see real time here and see how sensitive it is. It's right down now, the interval, we have it set at 1 minute. You can set the interval at any time frame you want. You can actually set the interval as well at a tick level, not as in one tick, but as in so many transactions. If you wanted to pick 600, 618, from a little Fibonacci, you want to say every 618 transactions of the S&P, you could do that here on the swing machine. On the 1 minute ES, it's showing us that the 1 minute trend is long, and it's been long for 18 minutes. If you had bought this at 3394.50, you'd be up $75. That trade came in at 12.10 today, 10/6. The near trend is up. The distant trend is down, so it's a little mixed, and the altimeter is measuring the buying and selling for us. So you don't have to do a whole lot of thinking. You do have to do some reacting, though. You can have the best strategy in the world. You can have the best indicators, the best tools in the world. If you don't execute, you won't make money. So we don't present, and by no means are we presenting Swing Machine as an ATM. You need to have good trading skills, and you need to have a good discipline for execution. Now, we do teach our members during their 4-week Q School how to use Swing Machine, how to use the strategies, and how to use technology to manage risk. So let's just take a look at the NQ on the 1 minute. 22 minutes ago, Swing Machine said buy the NQ at 11,409.75. The time was 12:08. Today, it's trending up. The distant trend is down, so it's a little bit mixed, and the altimeter is all green. Now, the Dow is struggling here. The Dow is actually in a short position for 3 minutes, just 3 minutes. Now, you don't have to short, but at 28.52. The near trend is pressuring down. The distant trend is down too, so that's probably going to be a pretty good trade. The Russell is long 8 minutes ago, and it's relatively flat right now. It's not in the money yet. Long at 1596.30 at 12:22, and it's a little bit mixed. And then gold, do we have gold up for you? I'm not sure. I don't think we have the gold up, but gold is actually on a 5 minute is up $1,000. I can't see our screen. I don't think we're shooting the live shot of gold. Now we can monitor dozens of markets and dozens of stocks on any interval. We're going to wrap up today. We promised that would give you a view. So if you had taken this trade, you'd be up 50, 330. That's, in minutes. That's $400, $500, thereabouts. And if you're always free to take your bread, and you can trade as frequently as you want. We try to get our traders, though, to learn to be patient and wait for the setup. It's very, very important that you understand the interval. The interval. Good luck, everybody. I'm Baggett on at Stock Market Caddy. If you like this sort of systematic approach to trading and want to know more, by all means visit our website. Be sure to check out what we call the Jumpstart or the Q School program. That is by far and away our best value. That is by far and away the best place to start. We give you an opportunity to come in at a very reasonable price, get a hell of an education, have a lot of fun, and test not just our systems, but test out what you're capable of. The burning question that you have is the burning question that everybody, oh, by the way, I think we do have the gold, so the gold on a 5-minute, I'm just noticing it now. The burning question you have is, can I do this? And the truth of the matter is, I don't know. Nobody does. Because every trader brings with him or her their own trading personality. Now you can develop and become a better trader, no question about it. You can make adult changes to your personality and your trading personality. But that is the best place to start. And we've done it deliberately so. So you don't have to outlay a tremendous amount of money. You have an opportunity to learn over a 4-week period, an opportunity to see the tools, an opportunity to trade with Swing Machine, and you get to determine at the end of the 4 weeks how you do. What better way to go. I don't know how many people do that. And we encourage you. We send you a scorecard, so that you know where you are on a weekly basis and certainly at the end of the 4 weeks. And so as we wrap up here, we've just been 7 or 8 minutes. If you had taken this trade, you had a chance to pocket about $50, and this one's coming back a little bit. You can see it. Good day. Feel free to give me a call, 813-758-8263.